up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's vlog is gonna be pretty short. I don't know if I'm gonna make it into a vlog or not, but if you guys haven't seen the last video, we did the headlight conversion to the 4IS. Watch the video if you guys haven't already. We're gonna go ahead and be installing the carbon fiber full kit. It came. Thank you so much, Kilos for Sale. I'll leave his Instagram right up here. You guys can check it out. And if you guys have a Lexus, any model, you guys could pick up, go to his shop. He has a bunch of carbon fiber pieces. We're gonna be getting into that and see what else we could do. But yeah, we're gonna go put the interior pieces on the car right now. So let me know what you guys think. And good quality, by the way. I've seen it. Here's some of it right here, you can see. But yeah, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and stay tuned for more vlogs. Like that.
Mira bien chido lo que es el...
Look at that, guys. Wow. Yeah, it looks so much better.
Así con un trapo, todos los gaps se quedan. No está straight.
Yeah. Look at that. It looks so much nicer. Wait. So we got these. And so on the website it says that 2010 and ISF, or I think, yeah, something like that, don't fit the steering wheel. Next time I'm gonna get a carbon fiber one. We're almost done. We're gonna complete the full set. Just need this. So it goes like here, like that. Yeah, like that.
Eso.
Yeah.
Usar el trapito later. Para que se mueva.
This one right here. I don't think it goes like inside here. No, I think it's like right here. Here. Unfortunately, these didn't fit. One on the back one. Carbon fiber kit, full kit. Shout outs to Kilo for Sale once again, and thank you for everything. Unfortunately, those didn't fit, but yeah, hope you guys do enjoy. That thing looks insane, guys. Look at that. But yeah, at least the steering wheel inserts does fit on it. Looks pretty sick. Can't wait to get the full carbon fiber steering wheel. Now that this part is all complete, I want to try to do this part, which I was kind of debating about to add here. I don't know if it will be too much carbon, but you can never go wrong with too much carbon, you know what I'm saying? So real carbon fiber, guys. I have the camera on a tripod, so we're gonna be trying to install this. Let me see. So we're gonna take out the full glue. I'll try to see what else I could record for today's vlog. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this mod. Something very nice for the interior, guys. It's nothing too crazy on the outside, but yeah, I do love, you know, modding the interior as well, because it just makes the feeling more, you know, better and look wise. Thank y'all so much for showing love and support on the installation video. If you guys haven't watched that, make sure you guys go check that out, because damn, it looks sick. Also, yeah, the car is washed, so good thing is fully nice and clean. All right, guys, we're gonna get started. This is the door, and I like the black one though, but as you can see, it has a bunch of like chipped off things, you know, here and there. I don't know if I mentioned it, but yeah, that's why we have this one. Hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic shot of cleaning the door panel. We've been looking for this for literally a year. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, I've come over here, literally same color, same everything on this side. So now we have all 4 of them, which is what we need. And I just like it, honestly. I prefer the black, but you know, this one was the best for a deal. Also, just to give you guys an update, there are still a couple carbon fiber pieces left that we couldn't do last time. We were worried about the door panels not fitting, as you saw earlier. There you go.
Son como little clips.
Yeah, I can hear it. Alright, here's the old door. Wait.
Aquí va el tornillo. So,
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but here's the switch. Looking really nice. I just figured it out. I just clicked this part here, and it should just snap on like this. It should just come off like this. So yeah, check it out. Literally took us a whole year just to find this part, because literally no one was selling it. I don't know if you guys seen in the videos. I try not to show it that much, but it was literally like, it was literally black. Like, it was a black door as you saw earlier, and then literally 3 different colored, you know, doors for a steal price. Honestly, for a steal price, same as the other ones earlier. Literally when we got the car, like the first mod literally on the car, just changed the doors. But now we could add the carbon fiber parts, because I didn't want to add it yet until we figure it out. Let me know if it opens. Yeah?
okay. Sí, apágalo.
Alright. Trying to add different things throughout one video, that way not to make it short. But yeah, we're just fixing the IS-250 little by little. It's coming together. This one goes in the back of the air vents. Yeah, we're gonna add the other one, just like the back door right over there, which that looks fire. So we're gonna go ahead and install this one real quick. Here it is, the carbon fiber piece. Unfortunately, like I said earlier, the 2 front ones don't actually fit, so I'm gonna get another one. So that'll be coming later soon. But for now, we're gonna add this one, which is the back door. Actually, I am gonna use the wipes that it comes with it. All right, so yeah, this should be good. Also gotta invest in a camera and a microphone, guys, because literally you guys can hear the background noise, but it's okay. We'll try to. I do need a microphone for my camera phone, just so that, you know, you guys could hear me better. Now this is the good part where we just add it literally on top like that. Perfect. Literally looks so perfect. Look at that. Now that we got that, we're gonna, I didn't realize that this was for that, so I should have done research beforehand, but oh well. Alright, got myself a pair of scissors, so I'm gonna try to like careful with it. There you go. So this one, I believe, goes like that. And not gonna lie, it adds a nice touch to the back seat with carbon fiber. Alright, this one, it should go like this. Nothing too bad. I guess like that. There you go. Now this should be right. Literally like that. It should just fit right on, just like that. Check it out, right there. All right, now that we're here, we're gonna add this part down here. Look at that, guys. Perfect carbon fiber on the steering wheel inserts, carbon fiber on the push to start, carbon fiber on the control, carbon fiber literally the whole center console, which is my favorite part so far. And we decided to add the last minute right here, which again, it's getting Apple CarPlay. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. We're just trying to fix up on the IS250. So these are like very essential like things that needs to get fixed on the car. It's not perfect, obviously. The next thing we're gonna do is do one of these, and this is a Hyperflash relay for the sequential turn signals. I'll leave it on the description down below on the link. You guys can pick one up, very cheap. But pretty much, if you guys seen, I'll throw a clip right here. The sequential speed of the turn signals are literally too fast. So it comes adjustable, could change the speed of the turn signals, which we really need to do that because it's pretty fast, to make it slow or super fast or just on the spot. And also a tap feature as well for the sequential. We're gonna do the installation. We'll do it step by step. Also we'll watch a video, but also we gotta adjust the headlights, because the headlights we haven't adjusted them. They're more downwards, so we need to adjust that too. It literally needs an exhaust. I was thinking of doing a muffler delete on it, or later on the line a full NVIDIA mid-pipe exhaust. I've seen some clips, not gonna lie, a muffler delete won't be too bad. But yeah, we're gonna get started on the Hyperflash. I got the box right here. Here's the other side. We are experiencing some hard things with the Hyper Relay install. It's actually pretty hard to adjust to it and like trying to get it in there, because it is a tight spot right there. As you guys can see, the Hyper Relay is right over there, on that part right there. It is very hard to get in. What? Yeah. No, it's perfect. But after so many hard work of off camera. Sorry I didn't show you guys that much, but it's because, dude, guys, it's so hard to get it upright. But alright, look, you guys see that? Look, there you go. Is this good? Yeah, like that. It took a lot of work behind, thanks to my dad. A lot of work behind the scenes, because honestly, like, you have to take off the whole entire thing. And you see that little like switch right there? That's the new relay. You have to like twist it around. And the new feature is the tap. It turns once. Again, right. Like that, tap once. So it's 3 times tap. And like that, which is pretty cool. So yeah, check it out, guys. Hyper Relay, perfect. Not fast anymore, it's literally like normal speed. I could adjust it to like a slower speed, but this is just, I guess, average, like normal, how it should be. But yeah, hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. Smash that like button if you guys do enjoy. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I tried to do something different. This took like probably 3 weeks of footage process. Some other clips were from like 2 weeks ago or something like that, but yeah, it was a long process trying to get some parts in, and also time as well. So yeah, but hope you guys did enjoy that. Stay tuned for more vlogs coming soon. Just be patient with it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.